Do you remember when you purchased your vehicle? Was it colour, style, shape, or performance that helped you make your decision? We offered the option of a diesel or petrol engine. More than likely, for a little extra at the time of purchase, you took home the diesel because of its great fuel economy. There was probably not a lot spoken about the difference between these two engine options, except the different fuel to choose at the station and the additional economy the diesel delivers. So with this in mind, let's share some insights on these engines and some easy tips that'll help you maintain your diesel vehicle, especially those fitted with a DPF. Diesel is less volatile but denser than typical unleaded petrol. Once running, a diesel engine can make use of this higher density fuel, consuming around 30% less than a comparable petrol engine, but producing greater power. Utilising the latest in electronic control technology, including high-tech piezoelectric injectors and advanced engine management systems, diesel fuel is delivered at around 35,000 psi, creating excellent engine torque and power figures with low exhaust emissions. If you would like any more information, check out the Ryco DPF website or contact our customer care team today.